Kale and yoga, a healthy combination. Kale and yoga go together harmoniously, creating a perfect synergy for holistic well-being. Both kale and yoga embrace the principles of nourishing the body, nurturing the mind, and fostering spiritual growth. When combined, they offer a holistic approach to health and wellness that promotes balance, vitality, and longevity. Firstly, kale, often hailed as a superfood, is packed with essential nutrients that can support a healthy yoga practice. This leafy green vegetable is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, which can boost energy levels, enhance mental clarity, and strengthen the immune system. Kale also contains fiber, aiding digestion and promoting detoxification, crucial aspects of maintaining a healthy body. Moreover, yoga and kale both prioritize mindful eating. Yoga teaches practitioners to cultivate awareness and presence, fostering a deeper relationship with food. By incorporating kale into our diets, we can cultivate mindfulness while nourishing our bodies. The act of carefully selecting, preparing, and savoring kale-based meals can become a meditative experience that helps us connect with our bodies on a more profound level. Furthermore, both kale and yoga encourage individuals to adopt a plant-based lifestyle. Yoga philosophy emphasizes the principle of ahimsa, or non-harming, advocating for compassion towards all living beings. By choosing kale as a primary ingredient, we show reverence for nature and align our diets with ethical considerations. A plant-based diet not only reduces harm to animals, but also promotes environmental sustainability. Physical health is another area where kale and yoga complement each other. Yoga asanas, or postures, promote flexibility, strength, and balance. Consuming kale can provide essential nutrients that aid in muscle recovery and reduce inflammation, allowing practitioners to optimize their yoga practice. Together, they create a powerful duo, enhancing physical performance and supporting overall well-being. Furthermore, kale and yoga both promote mental clarity and emotional well-being. Yoga, through practices such as pranayama, breathing exercises, and meditation, cultivates a calm and focused mind. Kale, rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, nourishes brain health, reducing mental fog and enhancing cognitive function. By integrating kale and yoga into our lifestyle, we can improve mental resilience and promote emotional balance. Kale and yoga also share a commitment to holistic health. Yoga is not merely physical exercise, it encompasses a comprehensive system for personal transformation. Similarly, kale is not just a nutrient-dense vegetable, it represents a dedication to nourishing the body and mind as a whole. By embracing both kale and yoga, we can embark on a holistic journey of self-care, self-discovery, and personal growth. Additionally, both kale and yoga encourage self-discipline and self-care. The commitment to a consistent yoga practice requires self-discipline, dedication, and regular self-reflection. Similarly, including kale in our diet requires conscious choices and a commitment to prioritizing our health. Through this mutual reinforcement, the combination of kale and yoga empowers us to take charge of our well-being, revealing the transformative power of self-care. Furthermore, the combination of kale and yoga promotes environmental sustainability. Both kale and yoga embody the principles of eco-consciousness, promoting an eco-friendly lifestyle. Kale, as a locally sourced and seasonally available vegetable, supports sustainable agriculture and reduces carbon footprints. Similarly, yoga teachings emphasize teachings such as aparigraha, non-greed, and saucha, cleanliness, promoting a lifestyle that minimizes harm to the environment. In conclusion, kale and yoga are a match made in the realm of holistic well-being. Together, they create a dynamic synergy that nourishes the body, nurtures the mind, and fosters spiritual growth. By embracing the principles of mindful eating, plant-based nutrition, physical health, mental clarity, emotional well-being, holistic health, self-discipline, self-care, and environmental sustainability, the powerful combination of kale and yoga guides individuals towards optimum health, inner peace, and a harmonious relationship with oneself and the world. I hope this information on kale and yoga was helpful. If so, please hit the like button. For more topics on kale, kale diets, kale smoothies, and eating healthy with kale, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and let's change our eating habits for better health.